Professional colleagues, hello. You will be able to check the fan motors of our Alféa outdoor units. To check the fan motor, you will need a reliable multimeter. For this example, we will work on an R32 Alféa Monobloc 6 kilowatt unit. We are going to check the fan motor. Before anything else, switch off the power supply to the heat pump and lock it out. Disconnect the fan motor connector. Here, connector P650. We have 5 wires: red, black, white, yellow, and brown. Place the black test probe, the common, on the black wire of the connector. Then measure the different resistance values on the other wires by placing the red probe on the white, yellow, brown, and red wires. Here, for example, we measure 113 kilo ohms between the black and yellow wires. If one of the 4 measured values is close to 0 ohms, or shows an infinite value on the white or yellow wires, the fan motor will most likely need to be replaced. Use an auto-ranging multimeter to ensure accurate readings, and make sure you have sufficiently thin test probes. Do not place your fingers on the metal part of the probes, as this may affect the measurement due to your body resistance. One last point. With the fan connector disconnected, turn the fan blade by hand. It must rotate freely. Any resistance or tight spot may indicate a mechanical issue with the motor. That's it. You now know how to check fan motors. This video is now complete. See you soon for another Atlantic tutorial.